So we used this example for SUMIF, and we also talked about how to use countif, the countif function for a single uh, piece of information, a single criteria. So in this case, we already looked at countif in the range, C2 to C16. If those are over 40,000, we counted those. So how do you do that when it's multiple months, when there's multiple criteria? That's when you use countifs. Countifs allows you to do different criteria. You're going to count if the sales rep sold in January, sold more than 40,000, and they sold more than 40,000 in February. So you'll notice that this number is not going to go up, right? Because we have the condition from here, the number of sales reps who sold $40,000 in January. How many of those also sold the same, more than 40,000 in February? And the same thing happens, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 did both, right? And that's what we're counting here. It's the conditional of both. Count ifs means it's conditional on both. So when we want to evaluate each range, it's this range greater than 40,000 and this range greater than 40,000 and this range greater than 40,000. So that's how you use countifs with multiple selection criteria instead of countif with just the one.